Yeah, hi. This is Shantun Roy from Fujiaka Sprays. Now, today I'm going to introduce to our power sprayer, that is Fujiaka Shakti, that comes with a TU26 Kawasaki engine, and like it's two-stroke engine, and it has got a brass pump at the back of it, and it creates a pressure of around 400 psi. So right now, just I'm going to give I'm going to tell you that what all comes with this sprayer. Number one, it there is a pipe. Second, like there is a spare parts kit. Next, there is an high jet gun, that is this one. Okay, and there is one three nozzle lance. Now, I've seen it earlier as well. Like people do ask me, like, how do we fit in this three nozzle lance? Because people think that like this lance is more effective for spraying. Yes, definitely it is. But in certain spraying, this three nozzle lance is also very effective. So I'll show you like how to attach this lance to the machine. Like in the spare parts kit, you will find this stopcock and this handle. Now, like in the spare parts kit, you'll also find this blue washer, right? So you must like take out this blue washer from the packet and put it over here, so that like in order to reduce the leakage, right? One blue washer in that handle and one blue washer on top of the stopcock. Now what you have to do is like you have to fix this stopcock over here with this handle. And now, like after putting this thing up, like you have to join this rod. Just hold on. I'm doing it all by myself, so like forgive me like if something goes wrong or something happens in this video. So now I'm fixing the lance. Yes, see, I have joined it. So now it has become a big lance, which we have to attach with this red handle. And for that, just hold a minute, right? Yeah. Yeah, see, now it is done. Now you have to fix the lance on top of this cock, and this is an on and off on and off thing. Like when you want to start the spraying, you like open this cock and then you increase the accelerator to start spraying. And yeah, that's it regarding the equipment that comes with this sprayer. And now just a brief introduction, or it's a brief discussion regarding how to, yes, I also forgot that you will also get this mixing can, where you can mix 500 ml of petrol with 15 ml of 2T oil, two stroke. Get some good two stroke oil, because since it's a two stroke engine, so it will require you will require to mix 2T oil with petrol, because apart from that it won't run. Like if you don't use 2T oil, so the 2T oil ratio is 1:25. I mean, like there is a catalog inside, with it comes with every sprayer. This one, so you can read it before you start spraying, so that you can get a very good idea of like what you should remember before spraying. Okay, so now coming back to what comes with the sprayer, you'll get this can, mixing can, and this measuring can. in order to measure how much amount of what quantity of pesticide or herbicide or archicide you're going to use it in the machine. So right now, since it's a two-stroke engine and it comes with an easy starter, so like as I've said, you're going to put this oil and petrol mixture in over here. So like the ratio is 1 is to 25. That means 25 ml of 2T in 1 liter of petrol. So now, yes, next thing is this carburetor. This is a starter. So since this is the easy starter, so like early in all previous machines like SP Bolo and some other power sprayers, there it comes with a normal starter. So the difference between normal starter and easy starter is like, see, it doesn't require much pressure. Okay, so like if you have to start it, just hold this starter with one hand and you pull it. You just give a gentle pull, no need to like pull it very hard, because like with a soft touch the machine will get started. Yes, and so yeah, that's it for the starting part, because I've seen people like pulling it very hard, the starter, so like the starter will get easily broken. So in order to prevent that, it is my request that since it is coming with a easy starter, so just a light touch, a light pull, a gentle pull will serve your purpose, and don't need to like do it very hard or do it more than twice or thrice, because if everything else is okay, the 2 oil mixture, the carbureted petrol is going properly, so you don't need to give much pressure into it. Okay, now this is the carburetor. Now this is the choke part. Okay, the this red button is the choke button. Okay, when it is up, that means it is in choke mode, and when it is down, it's in normal mode. So, and yes, and like for the normal running purpose, like it should always be down, because like if it's in the choke mode, the machine will get it will shut off. So I'll also tell you the use of this choke a few minutes later. First, let us see, there's one more additional thing that is there underneath the carburetor. You will see that there is a balloon underneath the carburetor. So what is the function of the balloon is that once you have put petrol inside the petrol tank, before starting the machine, say I mean like before the first spray, or you're taking out the machine for the first time, or first time in the particular day, so it is my suggestion that after putting in the oil, like you press this, you'll see that it is easily pressable. So like you press this thing for at least 10 to 15 times, so that you will be able to regulate the petrol very well in this carburetor. So, and you won't find any starting problem if you do that. Now I will also suggest you that to use, and now the function of this choke also comes in. So before first start, like this you don't have to do it every time. If you have to only do it once, see after say 2 or 3 pull, the machine is not starting up, then what you do is that first I have shown you, just press this balloon for 10 to 15 times, and after that, just putting this button up, you bring it to the choke mode. Now you give a gentle pull, the machine will start, will give a sound, and automatically it will shut down. Then you lower this choke and you give a pull, you pull the starter, and out of 100 times, 99 times, this thing will work, this works. Okay, now things for the maintenance part, like there are 2 foam filters inside this carburetor, so which you can open like this by opening the top of the carburetor. Hold on, I'll show you. Yes, see, it's very easy. Like you can open the carburetor, and there are 2 filter inside. Say after say around 1 week or 2 week, I would suggest that if the machine is being used heavily, so you must do it every week. You take out this filter, and like you, there's another filter inside, so you take this 2 filter out and like dip it in clean petrol, and just you rinse it properly, and then you get it, like fix it back to the carburetor, and you close the lid of the carburetor. And the closing system is like, there is two holes over there. Now it's a very simple procedure. Just you observe the, yeah, that is, it's all done.